Today, I'm going to teach you how to change options for marking email as read in Outlook. This is particularly useful if you want more control over which emails are marked as read, especially if you tend to browse through messages quickly without wanting them automatically flagged as opened. First, start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Make sure you're fully signed in and that your inbox has populated with all your messages. This step is essential because we'll be adjusting settings that directly affect how you interact with these emails moving forward. Once your email has been loaded, we can begin the process of changing how Outlook marks messages as read. Head to your File menu, which is located on the top part of your screen where all your main tools and menu options are positioned. Go ahead and click on File. This opens up a range of settings and account management options that control various aspects of how Outlook functions. The File menu will expand, revealing several choices. From here, look toward the bottom part of your File menu where you'll find Outlook Options. Click on it to proceed. An Outlook Options window will appear, giving you access to a comprehensive set of customization features. This is where you can fine-tune almost every aspect of your Outlook experience, from notifications to reading preferences. In the Outlook Options window, click on Mail on the left side menu. This section specifically handles how you send, receive, and interact with your emails. Under the Mail section, you'll notice a button labeled Reading Pane. Click on it to access the settings that control how emails are displayed and marked in your inbox. Now here's where the key change happens. To adjust how Outlook marks emails as read, simply uncheck the option that says Mark Item as Read when selection changes. By unchecking this, you're telling Outlook not to automatically mark an email as read just because you clicked on it or moved to another message. This gives you more deliberate control, so emails only get marked as read when you intentionally open them or manually mark them yourself. Once you've unchecked that option, click on OK to save your changes. Outlook will apply these new settings immediately, and from now on, your emails won't be marked as read simply by selecting them. And that's it. You've successfully customized how Outlook handles marking emails as read. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.